Oh, there's a fish. Fish.
That's okay. 360, boys. Holy shit. End of day heroics, huh?
Wow, I'm still having.
Huh? Get on?
I can't tell.
That's not good.
No, he's still in. He's still in. Oh, that's a real
Hold
one.
it. It's a real one, you said. It's not one of
Get
those.
that rod out of the way,
I
Bob.
can't catch a fish. It's not one of those Bob specials.
Oh, he's right there. He's right there.
I'll take that. Listen to that. Woohoo!
There you go.
Hold that up for the camera, would you? You bogey? We can catch a fish. That's not a bad little fish. Oh, that'll work. That's still bright too. What's the sign? They paid to get in there for us.
Spin around, cut right back through this hole.
Oh, that's a nice fish. We were just asking for some more to smoke.
Yep.
360 and what do you have on there?
That little Mexican flag,
Yeah.
with the skirt on it.
Hmm.
Finally, after all goddamn day long, we've been begging for sympathy bite.